name is Ayah. I am a student at Citrus College, transferring to California State University, Fullerton, to pursue a degree in applied mathematics. Well, I don't really have a clear goal about what I want to do with my degree, but I think math is something I want to do with my life, so it's always good. So when I first started my community college experience, I had this idea that only extremely smart prodigy people are the ones who belong in science. So I chose to always ignore that science existed. I was like, no, I'm not really smart enough. But honestly, after being exposed to it through my different classes, through this internship at Oak Crest, it made me realize that it doesn't really matter how smart or good you are in your classes. All that matters is that you like what you're doing and you're passionate about it as well. So during my first semester at Citrus, I took Calculus 2, and I loved it. It was really fun. But honestly, like, my first real exposure is through Marianne, through the Bridge to Geoscience research program. Dr. Smith was able to get me into this program known as BioFlex, and through that program I was truly exposed to what science is really about through the different presentations and Zoom meetings that we have done throughout the semester and through this internship. So this is my first real exposure of what science is. Even back in Lebanon, they would never even let us touch anything at the lab at school. There would be one scientist, and he would just do the experiment in front of us. We can't really touch it. So I got into Oak Crest through Dr. Smith, and it's been a wonderful experience. As an intern, I felt like I was very welcomed here, and I got to learn so many things that I don't think I would have came across ever in my education, especially because right now I'm a math major, so I don't really take any life science classes, so I was able to get introduced to a lot of different lab techniques and different concepts. Like through Manji's lectures, every Thursday or Friday in the morning he would do a little molecular bio lecture, and during those lectures I was able to learn so much about how drug gets processed in the body, about the importance of tissue culture, about how a drug can be infused into the body through different methods, and it was very informative, and I learned a lot. And now I'm maybe considering taking a molecular bio or microbiology class, just because maybe bio is not as bad as I thought it was. One of the reasons why I chose math is because I felt like bio is super boring and all you do is just memorize. And then you memorize, you finish the semester, and then you forget everything you learn. Oak Crest is a great place to be in. A great experience. If you've ever gotten the chance to be at Oak Crest, I 100% support you on coming here, doing an intern. Even if you're not doing some hands-on experience, the amount of knowledge that Oak Crest provides is I can't really compare another place to that. Like, being in class, yes, they teach you, but being at Oak Crest, they really show you what the real world is about and how important science is and how interesting of a field it is. So I love being here. I'm so sad that today is the last day, but I hope whoever comes here also enjoys their time. And I know that they will, just because it's Oak Crest.